In this video, we will learn how to create this bar chart in Microsoft Excel to report sales by two categories of data, region and year. First, make sure the data is in the correct format. We have year, region, and sales, but when I go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and All Charts, the design I want is not here. That's because the sales are in one column of numbers. Excel calls this a data series. And the data series is what appears in the legend. If I want the years to appear in the legend, then I have to transform the data source so each year is a separate column of numbers. This is easy to do using a pivot table. Select the data, Insert, Pivot Table. Click somewhere in this area to see the Pivot Table Fields panel. In this panel, with the mouse, click and drag Region to the Rows area. Drag Sales to Values, and now drag Year to Columns. If the pivot table resorted the labels, you can adjust them. Our data is now in the correct format, but I do not want to create the chart from a pivot table, so I will select only the data I want, copy, go to another section of the worksheet, and on the Home ribbon, click the Paste down arrow, Paste Special, Values and Number Formats. And I will change the first column header label to Region. Let's try creating the chart with this data. Insert, Recommended Charts, All Charts. There are three options, but neither is exactly right. For example, here, region is plotted as a category label, and the legend has series 1, 2, and 3 instead of using the years. If this happens, it's usually because the data is using numbers as column headers. Excel thinks we have 5 records with no column headers. The trick is to remove the label from the first column. Then Excel will understand, oh, these are column headers. And now when we create the chart, there are two options. Let's select this one. If we zoom in, we see it is exactly what we want. It reports sales by two categories of data, region and year. I added some formatting, and I can easily change the bar colors for each year. It is also easy to switch the categories around and move region to the legend. Let's try that with a copy of this chart. If you select the new chart, go to Chart Design, change Chart Type. This brings up the All Charts window again, and you can select the other design. I hope this was helpful, and if you enjoy learning about working with data, please consider subscribing to this channel.